scissors that cut the seal. It's supposed to be safer, don't cut you, it doesn't fall in the can. Well, I'm going to show you how to use a regular can opener to do the same thing. It's pretty simple actually. Right in here, line it up, squeeze it down. There you go. That's all there is to it, really. I just tried it. It worked. You can see no sharp edges. Okay, no sharp edges. Nice and smooth. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.